Hi, my name is Demilade Odetara. Pledre is one of the best platforms for you to start your online school, and today I'll be walking you through how to create a virtual school using Pledre. To get started, you want to go to pledre.com, and from there you can sign in, but I'm already signed in here, so you go to your dashboard. From your dashboard, you can see the list of schools, the list of existing schools you've created, and you can create a new school by filling in the school name, your tagline, your school URL, that means your default school URL, your phone number, and your email address, and you can create a new school. After creating a school, the school will appear in the list of schools you have here, and from there you can click on one of the schools. After coming to your dashboard, you can see from your dashboard you can manage courses, manage the users within your school, manage payments, set up marketing and communication, and customization. I'll be going through each of these later on in the video. You can create a new course by clicking on create a new course, putting the course name, the description, how much the course costs, whether the course is public, and preload course content from existing templates before you create the course. After creating a course, you see the list of the courses you have. Within the courses, you can click on Introduction to Programming, and from within, you can see the list of contents and modules you've created. You can add a module, and a module is a combination of different content with different content type. You add the module name and the description, and you can also add a content which will contain the name, the objective, the module to be selected, the content type which can be a note, a file, a quiz, a discussion, a live class, or a whiteboard. And you can set up some configuration on the content you just created, like making it prerequisite, which makes the content compulsory for students to take, lock the course content type, enable discussion in the content, or enable unapproved students have access to content, amongst other things you can do. For a content type there's a discussion, students can just type and chat it with themselves within the course. A content type there's a file, you can upload a video, upload a file, or import from the creator suite. The creator suite allows you to record your camera, record your screen, and create content within the platform so you don't have to be dependent on expensive external cameras or hardware equipment. You can also create a quiz, and within a quiz, you can have different question type, which can be objective, theory, or file upload. For the live class, the students can join the live class, and you can schedule new live class using the integrated live class, Google Meet, or Zoom. If you're using Google Meet or Zoom, you have to put in the class link, the start date, and the end date. But if you're using the integrated live class, the students will be able to join the live class directly from the platform. You can have a whiteboard, a note, and other content type which I'll be covering in other more comprehensive videos. You also have a way to manage communication among your students by creating teams, seeing the chats, active chats that are ongoing, and sending mail to all the students within your school using the platform. You have the creator suite, which I made reference to earlier on, which can use to create content in your classes, so you're not depending on external tools. You have the class schedule for scheduling live classes, and you can see the list of students in your school and view their progress within the course. Still within the classroom, there are integrations which you can use like Code ID to embed a Code ID into your school, or a text matcher game to embed some interactivity with your school. I won't be covering this in these videos, they'll be covered in more comprehensive videos. There are some settings you can also configure within your school, like the price, the start date, the course details, the requirements, the tutor description, set a course image, add an intro video to the course. There's some advanced settings you can do, like how long do you want students to have access to course after they've been approved? You want to unapprove all students at the course ended, make course hidden, add course to a cluster, and disable direct registration to course. You can create a course template, which allows you to duplicate a course easily or share a course structure with someone else, so you can use it to create your own new course. And you can add a teacher to the course, as many teachers as possible, as many teachers as you have within your school can be added to the course. Going back to the admin dashboards, you can create categories, and categories are a way to group courses together. You can also have course clusters, which is a way for students to pay for multiple courses at once, as opposed to the students. You can also have course cluster, which is a way for students to pay for multiple courses at once, as opposed to students paying for each of the courses individually. You can view the student assessment and the live class schedule. You can also manage users, see all the students within your school, and click on the students and see the courses they've been approved to, the ones that are pending approval. Look at their performance. Send a mail to the student, chat with the student, view the payment status of the student so far, how much students have paid the school, and view the account information of the students. You can add teachers to your school and add admins to your school. When teachers are added, they have to be added to courses for them to have access, for them to be able to make any meaningful impact within your school. And once they're added to courses, they get the classroom interface like I showed earlier. You can add admins if you are the school owner and you rather outsource the management of your school to an admin. You can hire an admin. You can also view students' payments, create coupons. Coupons are a way for you to give students discounts based on promos you are running. Select how long you want the coupon to run, how many times you want the coupon to be used, the expiry date of the coupon, and for which course you want this coupon to apply to or which cluster. Don't forget, the cluster is a combination of different courses. There's also the marketing and communication suite, which allows you to send mails to students and track when they've received the mail or when they've clicked on anything within the mail. Lastly, you can customize your school and you can change the display, the homepage banner, the landing page, notification settings. Configure what notifications you want to be sent to students on certain activities within your school. For example, notify students on approval to course, notify students on approval to course, and deletion to course. You can customize the sign-up fields within your school and collect additional details from students based on your school structure or your preference. There is also integration, which we are building a lot of custom integration so you can integrate your school with other existing third-party tools like HubSpot, Slack, Google Analytics. This is largely still a work in progress as of today, but more integrations will be coming along the line. An example of a completed school is demi.ng, which is my own personal school that I run, where I teach software development. And you can see this is my landing page. This is the list of my categories. And within here, this is a course I've opened. Currently goes for 50,000 naira. This is a video I recorded, the course intro video, this is the course description, that the course curriculum. And I have students I'm currently teaching this course, currently registered to this course. So if I'm to open this course, let me log into the course. So within my course, you can see my course content. Logging in as a student, this is my classroom dashboard. For this particular course for technical product managers, you can see a video I uploaded, an ongoing discussion within the course. You can see the quizzes already set for students to attempt. You can see the live class for them to schedule a live class with me. You can see a game. This is a game. This is a content with the notes and diagrams that I've created. And this is a game which was created for the students to have fun while they were learning.
Smarty pants. That's really good.
And I can save. I'm logged in as a student, and this is a quiz to test their knowledge and the courses they've taken. This is where you can see their notification. They are currently live. They are scheduled live class, and the pending communications. If you have any questions or you want to learn or you want us to send a more comprehensive demo to you, please reach out to support@pledre.com. Thank you.